Hey loves, today I'm doing a review with Real Hair Smoothies with the Real Hair Smoothie Thick and Full Conditioner. My hair is already freshly washed, so now I'm going to section my hair into 3 or 4. You want to make sure your hair is detangled before you start to apply the product, so make sure you detangle your hair during your wash so that when you're applying the smoothie, it is a lot easier for you to finger comb the product through your hair. This can become a messy project, so definitely recommend wearing a shirt that you don't really care about or draping a towel over your shoulders because again, like I said, it's a pretty messy task. And as you can see, I'm not having a hard time with finger combing the product through my hair, so that is definitely a plus. Another plus to mention is how amazing this product smells. It makes you want to eat it, honestly, but please don't. It's not good. Please don't eat it. So while I'm finishing up the rest of my hair, I just want to let you know what this conditioner is supposed to do. So it's the Thick and Full Conditioner. So pretty much it is supposed to help with thickening the strands of your hair, allowing it to be stronger and give you that thicker and fuller appearance once your hair is done. So you want to make sure that your hair is covered, whether it is by a plastic cap or a plastic bag, it does not matter. But we're going to go sit under the dryer for about an hour. Alright guys, so now that it is all rinsed out, it feels really soft. You look at the definition that I got from it, and this is just freshly rinsed. There is nothing added in, no leave-in moisture or anything yet. Leave-in conditioner. No leave-in conditioner applied yet. But now I am going to go ahead and do my rod set. So I'll be right back.
What is love without you? 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 I can't help but to feel like we let go of something real, and nothing else can compare. Girl, I can't live without you. You left me all alone. This house don't feel like home. Girl, I hate that you are gone.
So I sat under the dryer for about 2 hours actually, because 1 hour was not enough. So I sat under the dryer for 2 hours and my hair is completely dry. So I'm going to take out each rod and then we are going to start separating each curl. Remember, when you are separating your curls, you want to be as gentle as possible because you do not want to create any unnecessary frizz.
Find you. You a part of me like a tattoo. My heart turned to stone like a statue. You left me in the time that I needed you. I reach how you don't reach back. Heartbreak school where you learned that. I reach how you don't reach back. Heartbreak school where you learned that.
Now that I'm done separating, I'm going to fluff at my roots to get a little more volume.
Heartbreak school where you learned that. School, we like that. you? Oh, what is love without you? You know, in those night shades.
Alright guys, so this is my final result.
You still think about me.
One, the smoothie is amazing. It smells amazing. At the end of rinsing it out, it made my hair feel super soft. It was actually really defined. It smells great. And my hair felt really moisturized. It felt stronger. So I've been using this for maybe about 3 weeks now, and I really like it. Definitely, I think it came out better than my last perm rod set. I do think that the smoothie helped because one, my hair didn't shed nowhere near as much as it does when I use a regular conditioner and I detangle with my brush. So very, very light shedding when I did detangle, so I'm going to thank the smoothie for that. And my hair is just really, really soft. I definitely think that is something that you should definitely go check out. My perm rod set came out great and it's super soft. Like, I wish you could feel it right now how soft it is, but hopefully it looks as soft as it feels. And depending on how long or short your hair is will determine on how much you would actually use of the product. So you see my hair is not super long, but it's not crazy short either. So I use about 1/4 to 1/2 of a bottle when conditioning. So just keep that in mind. And the bottles are not small, they're a pretty good size. So depending on your hair length will determine how much you use. Now if you do have really, really long hair, let's say past your shoulder, you'll probably be using 1/2 to the full bottle. So I want to thank you guys again for tuning in. Go check out realhairsmoothies.com. They do have multiple smoothies that you can use. So just go on there, take a look at which ones will work best for you. And I definitely hope that you enjoy them because I did.
Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just let me know in my comments below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
What is love without you? 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 How can I find love? I can't find you. You a part of me like a tattoo. My heart turned to stone like a statue. You left me in the time that I needed you. I reach how you don't reach back. Heartbreak school where you learned that. I reach how you